Remember, it's getting hotter outside, so be sure you're drinking lots of water. And I know some of us have allergies, so just be aware, let your parents know if you're feeling sniffly or anything like that. But without further ado, we're going to begin our assembly. We are going to have Miss Sullivan's class lead us in the pledge. So Miss Sullivan, did you pick some friends or just the whole class? Oh, perfect.
And Jaden.
All right, let's be good presenters.
Stand up. Now let's begin. So our sixth habit was what? That's right. The habit that we're getting awards for today was synergize. And so our wonderful teachers are going to present awards to some of our friends that were recognized for being able to synergize really well. But that doesn't mean that the rest of you didn't synergize well either. So I want to give a big round of applause to all of our friends because you all worked so hard. And please remember, if you don't get an award this time, you still have another set of awards too. And then I think we have another one on top of that. So do not worry if you do not get an award this time. All right, without further ado, let's switch it up and start with second grade.
For my first award, I would like to dedicate it to someone who is always there when a task is to be tackled. If this person gathers everyone all together and makes sure we listen. He knows the best approach is to hear and apply all the possibilities while being open-minded, respectful, and with a positive outlook. So I'm happy to honor Aiken. For my second award, I'd like to honor a student who is an embodiment of Synergize. This student takes working together to a new level. She makes sure everyone is working together and is listening and applying everyone's ideas. She understands a team effort is more valuable than anything. I'm happy to present this award to Bridget.
Stop.
Over here, wait, Bridget.
Wait, record. Good morning. Parents, thank you so much for spending your time with us in the assembly. All right. I'm excited to recognize a student who has shown outstanding growth in happy habit number 6, Synergize. This award recognizes a student who truly understands the power of teamwork, someone who brings people together, listens with care, and helps everyone succeed. This student is an excellent collaborator. She is kind, respectful, and always gives others the time and space to share their ideas. She understands that great teamwork is not just about speaking, but also about listening. When working in groups, she communicates clearly, helps organize ideas, and makes sure that everyone feels included. Her positive attitude and teamwork skills helps make things happen in the best possible way. She truly shows that what it means to synergize, working together to achieve more than we could do alone. Please join me in congratulating this wonderful student, Ava.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to all the parents who are here as well. So today we're celebrating a student who truly demonstrates what it means to practice happy habit number 6, which is, everybody, what is it? Yes, exactly. This student consistently works well with others, showing respect for different ideas and making sure everyone feels included. They take the time to listen, share thoughtful contributions, and encourage their classmates to do their best. They understand that teamwork is not just about working together, but about valuing each other's strengths and combining them to achieve a common goal. Their kindness, cooperation, and willingness to help others make them a wonderful role model for our class. This student shows us every day that when we work together and support one another, we can accomplish amazing things. It is my pleasure to present this award to George. Thank you for it.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, parents. Synergizing is not only a habit, but an essential skill to become successful in life. It teaches us how to connect with different people and work together to solve problems. In my class, pursuing this habit means working together as a team, valuing teammates' strengths. It also means you respect other people's opinions, even if they differ from yours. We encourage the students to work in small groups or do partner activities to promote this habit. The students are also assigned team tasks to understand and value the importance of doing them together. This year, I selected 2 students for this recognition. Both have shown how working together improves learning for themselves and others. Their teamwork proves that 2 heads are better than 1. Along with their ability to collaborate, both students have made great progress in their social and emotional skills. They have shown resilience and empathy, helping to create an inclusive environment. Let's congratulate Zain and Samantha.
Okay, Ole.
Good morning, everyone.
So the student I choose to receive the habit number 6 today, he works beautifully with the other, and truly he values the strength of each classmate brings. He listens carefully, shares ideas openly, and he seeks out different perspectives to solve problems. He shows us every day that 2 heads are better than 1, and that together everyone shines brighter. This student has set a wonderful example by quietly modeling teamwork and a good citizenship. I'm happy to acknowledge that Bihan Nishad exemplifies the happy habit number 6 in our classroom. Please join me to congratulate Bihan and our happy habit number 6.
award for Synergize. This student is a wonderful example of what it means to work together and build a strong classroom community. She consistently includes others, shows kindness, and is always willing to work with anyone. Ganyu brings people together and helps her classmates feel valued and supported. We are so proud of her positive example she sets each day. Congratulations, Ganyu. Where'd it go? Oh, right there. For my second happy habit winner for Synergize, this student is thoughtful and caring to classmates who is always looking to include everyone. He makes sure no one feels left out and goes out of his way to make sure everyone feels welcomed and valued. Damien's kindness and teamwork help make our classroom a happy and supportive place for all. We are so proud of you, Damien.
Let's do another big round of applause for our board recipients. We are so proud of all your hard work. And let's do a big round of applause for our parents for coming to support. Oh, let's do a bigger round of applause than that, my friends. You almost got a standing ovation from kindergarten. Thank you so much, parents. It really does mean so much to each child when you come and support them. You show up to events like this. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And without further ado, I would like us to look to our teachers for the next